Today we're going to be shooting my 1911s. To start off, we have my Colt Service Ace in 22, followed by my Sig Sauer TTT in 45, followed by the Colt Gold Cup National Match, and my last one is the Ithaca World War II 1911 Ackrights by Bob Chow, San Francisco. Our targets today are metal plates, and they're about 25 yards, or say 20 yards out. Today's bullet of choice is my 200 grain cast bullet. It's powder coated in Kawasaki green. We'll start off with the Sig Sauer TTT. Okay, let's get started on the second magazine. I shoot about 5 shots each time, so I'm not wasting my bullets. Sig Sauer TTT, pretty smooth. Same gun, Sig TTT 45 reload. All right. Not a bad group. We'll try 5 more shots. Same gun, Sig Sauer TTT. Okay, we're going to switch guns. The next gun we're going to shoot is my Ithaca Bob Chow 45 ACP. Alright, let's get started. 5 shots in the Ithaca.
Shooters, 1 minute till ceasefire. 1 minute till ceasefire.
Okay, we put some new paint on the target, so we'll try it again with the Ithaca. 5 shots, about 25 yards. Okay, that was the Ithaca. So let's go ahead and try the Gold Cup next. Colt Gold Cup. Stand by. Okay, we're going to try 5 more with the Gold Cup, same target, and let's see how she does. All right, that finishes off the Gold Cup. Not too bad. Group's a little high today. Might be the sun.
Shooters, 1 minute till ceasefire. 1 minute till ceasefire. Please shoot your remaining rounds and do not reload.
So let's check out. I'll show you where the sun's at. Right there. Right in my eyes. Oh, we're pretty much done with the 911s. Except the 22 911. I'll go ahead and shoot that. The service 8s. But the 5 911s we're pretty much done. My favorite, believe it or not, is my Ithaca. TTT is pretty smooth, but my Ithaca is like butter in my hand. So the Colt, I don't know, it needs to be shot more. It's not really broken in. It's old and vintage, but my wife's brother who owned it, he really didn't shoot it that much. So it's pretty much new, got a little holster wear. So let's get going into service 6. Okay, today's bullet would be CCI Mini Mags, hollow points. We're going to shoot the service ace, and I don't know if you know, the service ace has a floating gas chamber system, so it simulates a heavier recoil, so you can shoot rimfire in a full weighted 1911 frame. Very cool gun. You don't see too many of them out at the range. Service ace. Okay, let's try it again. CCI Mini Mags and a 22 service ace. Right. Not bad group. Let's try a couple more. Okay, we're done with the 1911, so let's get a close-up of each one.